Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a quick preview of the camera Pro mode on the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. To open the Pro mode you have to go for the More modes, then you have to select Pro mode, and first click on this information icon where you can find description of every parameter. And then let's take a look. I'm going to show you how we can adjust the parameters. So we can find ISO level, next we can find shutter speed. As you can see, we can set it up even for the 30 seconds. Right here we can find exposure compensation with the value +3 and the -3. Next we can find focus range. We can basically set up manually focus. And the last option is the white balance. When you go for the upper bar, we can turn on the flashlight. We can also turn on camera timer, change photo format, change aspect ratio, and go to the settings. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.